Alright guys, here we are, Corpus Christi with the Mayan Princess rig. It's been a while since Kim. How long has it been since you've been out?
Since 2019 on the Texas coast.
Woo!
So 4 years?
It's 2s right now. It's a little less than 2s. They're launching a like a Zodiac right there. But Kim's gonna do it the old-fashioned way. She's gonna paddle. I'm gonna leave this rolling so you guys can check it out. Ready? Go.
I'm going.
Kim made short work of this surf. You can see her here. She's charging through. She did a good job. No problem for her. Kim's up, I think. Woo! And it is.
Okay, it's finally recording. I got my first fish. It's a little angel fish. I'm gonna try to get it.
Look at this.
I was jigging and I got him. He came up. He's so cute. And we're gonna say goodbye. Bill got one. Give him kisses. And bye-bye. We're gonna jig some more. We're trying to catch some bait.
Bait was really tough. We caught a variety of spadefish, triggerfish, and some hornbillies, as well as some juvenile red snapper.
I don't know what this is. We'll see. This is a little rod, so everything on it seems super big. But I'm hoping it's something. Oh man, it just came off.
Kim and I managed to catch some bait, some big hornbellies that I've got in this live well right here. We pulled up to that last stick up past Wally, which is the big rig at Mayan Princess, and lo and behold, there was 6 or 7 big cobia swimming around the rig. If I learned anything from flying fish while he was down, it was that cobia can't resist a big live hornbelly. So that's what I'm hooking up right here. You can see me sticking him on. I'm getting ready. Here in a second, it's about to be chaos, man, in the kayak. Cobia swimming around up here, so I'm gonna pull this around this rig, see if I can get him to come out and eat it. Right about now, I spot the biggest cobia in the bunch, and I pick the hornbelly up, and you'll see me pitch it right to him. As soon as this hornbelly hits the water, every one of those cobia came out, charged out, and got it. The big one ended up getting it. The other ones were trying to fight him for it right here. It was really cool watching them do their thing. Oh, got him! Got one! Oh! Oh, nice cobia. Hang on, have to keep him out of the rig. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This fish initially ran away from the rig, and then he finally figured out he was hooked and did exactly what a cobia does. He ran right towards the structure. Did my best to try to keep him out of it, but controlling a big fish like this, almost impossible to do on small tackle, especially with how tough these fish are and how hard they can run. I've got really strong drag on this reel at this point, and he's just, I even tried to thumb it at one point and keep him out of it, but it's just not going to happen. It just wasn't meant to be on this one. If you look in the water behind the kayak right there, you can see some of the other cobia swimming up and swimming around. Here in a minute, you'll get a shot of some of the bigger ones that were in this group. There was some humdingers in this group for sure, man. And the one I had, there's no telling how big it was. It was pretty nice cobia. Look at these cobia, guys. That is a monster. It was definitely a rough first day, and it didn't start off much better in the morning. Trying to get launched right here. It's not that the swell was super high, but it was super tight together, like 4 seconds and less intervals. And when it's like that, it gets really, really tough because you just keep getting pounded and pounded with surf. But Kim decided to sleep in. I took the Hobie out, charging into it right here, digging. See, I got the paddle going the whole time. You got to keep digging when the swell's real tight together like this. Not that it's big, it's just really tight together and you don't get a chance to recover. So I'm digging through here, and I'm sure glad that I got up early and decided to go out, because persistence pays off. And after crashing and losing 3 rods on the trip back in the day before, I needed a little redemption, and I'm going to get it right here. You guys stick around, you won't be disappointed. Got one. Maybe. It's not a shark. It ran like a king, so we'll see. It's got a lot of weight, whatever it is. Got stuff all on the way here. Let's see if we can get it out. She's coming back. Rough today, guys. I lost 3 rods yesterday on the way in. That's always fun. Mother Ocean decides to take some stuff from me, she's gonna take it. There ain't nothing you can do. Alright, let's get this out of my way. Oh, that's a king. Good king too, guys. Whew. Doing the old Kingfish circle now. Had a big Cobia yesterday. Oh. There we go. He would hit right when I'm in the middle trying to fix everything else. Oh, you gotta love a king. Stomping the reel. Oh, it's a big king too, guys. Alright, we gotta catch the catching. Alright, we're gonna chase this one down before I lose him. Big king. This thing almost dumped the entire reel, guys. Here he comes again. Whew. Come on, Bill, keep the pressure on. You can't stop for a second with these things, guys, or they will get off. It's a big king. Hang on, see. Get this stuff out of the way. God, that's a good king, guys. Look at this thing. Woo! Doing the old Kingfish circle. Push up, pedals forward. There we go. Whew. Nice king. It's been a while. There we go. That is a freaking whale, guys. Look at this one. Whew. Oh, hang on, dude. Eat that.
just a whale of a kingfish, guys. Look at this thing. That is a whale. That is a freaking kingfish now. Get out of here, buddy. Ooh, there he goes. Whew. Oh, big fish. I got one almost tied up here. And we'll put another one on. That was awesome. That made it worth the trip right there. Let me get some batteries and some camera stuff going here. I had just been tying another leader, and of course I was right in the middle of the knot. You can see there when old Mr. Kingfish decided he wanted to eat. That's the way they do it. The shark just came up and got this ribbon fish right here, guys. God dang, we ain't getting that one back. He don't even know he's hooked yet, man. Oh, now he knows. Oh, there it goes. Thank goodness. Man, it was a big shark. God, he swam right up under the boat and grabbed my ribbon fish right next to me there, guys. We're gonna run out of stuff here pretty quick. I gotta get my game plan together here. Jeez. He got me. Man, he came up right there, guys, right next to the boat. I looked down, I was trying to get stuff together here, and looks like I'm retying another stuff chewing. Man, guys, a huge shark. I was trying to get everything set back up after that big king, and I had one of my baits dangling while I was getting the other one ready to turn around, and a big shark came up right next to the kayak, grabbed the bait. I had him on for a few seconds, but it was a really big shark. It looked like a big bull shark. Really weird. But there you have it. Always be ready out here, you never know. God dang. Dang it. Oh. Whew, he smoked that one, guys. God, hope y'all saw that. Holy jeez. Man. I'm gonna have to make another kingfish rig. Look at that. That's how they hit. It's Ethan. Just met him. I think me and him are the only two crazy ass people in this this ocean today.
Yeah, getting a little sick fighting the wind today.
Yeah, man. It's I thought it was gonna lay a little, but just never did.
Yeah, it's staying around 10, but I don't know. It's not. How deep are the ones you're getting?
Man, I was using just a ribbon fish. Yeah. So I don't know, probably 20 feet. Yeah. I caught a big one when I first pulled up. I don't know if you saw me.
I think I saw
you were here.
Nice.
And then a big old shark came up, and I had one dangling in the water, and he zapped it, man.
Oh, dang.
Yesterday, that rig, the far rig Wally,
yeah,
that stick up right there, I hooked a big cobia, man. There was like 6 of them right on the top of the water.
Oh, nice.
But yesterday it was tough, man.
Yeah.
There was just no fish around. Didn't seem like anyway.
That's it. Yeah, I went out there. I wasn't marking much, but I had one big king on. It took off like probably over 200 yards, and then got me around that one standpipe. That was it. But,
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't marking a whole ton.
That's a cool kayak, Ethan.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Sick of paddling today.
Yeah, I can imagine. Good luck, Ethan. Pleasure meeting you, man.
Yeah.
Got me. Well, guys, it's been a bit of a shit show this time. I lost 3 rods yesterday when I was coming back into the surf. I wasn't even expecting it. A big wave caught me like on the 4th bar, knocked me over. Lost 3 rods. It was tough. It's been a tough trip this time, but we did get some kingfish, as you guys hopefully you got to see. That's the way it goes out here, man. Sometimes Oceana's gonna take some stuff from you, as Riley said, and she got some stuff from me this time. Anyway, till the next one, from right here at Corpus Christi at the rigs, Killer B out.